Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. For today's videos, as you may see, it's about onions. I'm preparing a warm side with this onion. I'm gonna bake it. Alternatively, you can do it on the grill, which is fantastic. I'm gonna start peeling off some onions. I'm choosing big ones, yeah, as you may see, just like that. And then I'm gonna wrap it in aluminum foil. We're gonna add some salt, olive oil, Italian herbs. Alternatively, yes. You can also do it only with salt and a little bit of olive oil. Then you're gonna bake it 180 degrees around for 45 to 1 hour. And then you're gonna just leave it like that, rest it 5-10 minutes to cool it down, and then we're gonna proceed just like that. You see, you can do as many as you want. I'm doing only 2 because we are 3 people, but as a side, but it's a very nice. You will like it. In the grill, you do a little bit more because they are even much more better. You see, I'm gonna make it 45 minutes. After I let it rest, now I'm gonna remove from the oil carefully. It's hot and it's had the liquid on it, so you gotta be careful with it. Like you see, yeah, there you are. Now on the side, and we're gonna just cut it in the small chunks, yeah, not that big, not that small, just like that. And we're gonna season it with the liquid we cook the onions in, and also we're gonna add some fresh lime. As you see, I got some fresh lime. We're gonna cut and squeeze, and also add the liquid from our aluminum foil. Yeah, this is a warm side. This is very nice. These onions are there just yummy like that. They don't taste like onions, like raw onions, of course. Yeah, that's everybody's scared about. Yeah, there's a raw onion taste, which is sometimes not that nice. Yeah, but they are very nice actually. So you may like it, and I hope you like it. And leave me your comments below here if you do prepare them and if you like it. After you cut it, you see, I'm gonna just season it only with lime and salt. Test it, and you can add more lime, more salt. It depends of your taste. Depend a little bit. Yeah, I'm using 2 limes, or probably 3. I don't remember now. I guess I add a third one because it needed a little bit more acidity. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I was right, I guess. Yeah, I'm adding third one. Just like that, I'm gonna top it with some fresh basil to decorate a little bit, and that was it. Yeah, you see, fantastic, easy, which is very nice. Less ingredients. That's it. Look, some salt. Now you can also I can imagine baking it with some chili flakes, which is a little bit of spicy. Very nice. So thank you very much. I hope you like it. If you do, there is a bunch of videos in this channel. Subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button, and see you in the next video. Take care and enjoy the journey.